This one when you run for your life. I mean, the new madam when you carry come back this night, she don't turn to python. One swallow.
Don't keep quiet. When did you buy and start training a pussycat without telling me?
Pussy guinea? Oh, forbid me. Pussy. Ah! Pussy will be Range Rover Sports. I've been a helicopter for winches. Ah, I beg, sir. If na cause. I beg. Would you respect, sir? Back to center.
John Paul.
Sir?
If I have to knock your head again, I swear I will use stone.
Jesus. Stone? What do you can use knock me before? Because now not be stone you use. Now this thing can't pay me like this, okay? Nah, if you use, I mean, Chineke. Okay, because
shut up, John Paul.
Sorry, sir.
Are you telling me you've not been hearing a pussycat mewing in this compound tonight?
Ha! Now I see they here. Now I never carry my phone. Go express road. Go there, go sleep in peace. Ha! Okay, I don't hear anything, no. As I dey here, I don't hear anything. I don't hear anything.
How would you hear? No, tell me, how would you hear when all you do is to eat my food and sleep? You think I pay and house you to sleep? Yeah? You are the security man here, but every now and then, me, your guy, is more at alert than you. All you do is sleep and eat.
Okay, this is the way you talk, you know, no be true. This is the way you talk now, you don't follow. Me, okay, I beg. I beg you with my grandpapa, we're gonna kill. Since they come a long time ago, they beg you make you calm down. You just calm down. Make you no go kill innocent person. I dey innocent. And for a lot, I die a lot. A lot now my second girl for this compound, I dey tell you. Okay. You sure say na pussy noisy here? Maybe meow pussycat here. No. You know, say this man with this is our letter. They marry new wife. At any time, we your grandman on top of her. Don't say Adi. I only me. They watch everywhere. They hear the woman. And the woman gets so voice. Anytime we walk out, they give you a cat. You pack up. And the woman go to shout. You think with the pen and the sweet down. So that force when we say we won't resist that. You think with the come out more. You go think you call the head. You go think
you are really beyond redemption. Enough of your stupid talks. Let's go and look for that pussycat now.
You see they talk about the pussy. See, okay, fine. Okay. Me and pussy no be mate. I beg you. Now we here now. So where your father go?
Go that way.
This way over.
Go towards that direction. Make sure you find it. Go.
Yeah, pussy. Where you there now? Pussy, come out. Not me. Oga, pussy. Inside, I don't find a good inside. I don't see pussy.
What are you doing?
And they find the pussy now. And they search everywhere.
Listen real good. Make sure you find that pussycat. Else, don't sleep.
Oga, I don't even tell the pussy say you want marry wife for her. Say no be kill, you want kill her. Nah, I don't tell this man say no be pussy. Since that this man will marry no wife. Anytime when the man down on top of the woman, the woman go dey. Yeah? Now maybe managing director for bedroom soundtrack hearing industry limited. But if I tell this man logo here, When everybody don't sleep, only me there alive here, they walk out. And they hear, if they hear morning, oh, walk out, they dance. I'm going to hear that man too. When even this old woman and the old man where they pretend like say they know they do, and they hear them. When the man done the naga, they hear you the money no more, and they hear the woman, the old woman who they come to all this woman where we voice their tiny, where they do
the meaning of this nonsense? Huh? Why my compound and why this night? Meow, 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 meow. I thought the moment you give. Or am I being too superstitious about this? This might be a poor genuine cat. Whatever.
Already. I'm coming. Oh. Who was that?
Morning, how are you? Hope you slept well.
Yes, I did.
Sorry I woke you up early. I have a business meeting, so I'm somehow in a hurry.
Oh, okay, sir.
You can leave anytime you want. I left some money on the dining table for your transport and maybe buy bread for your parents.
Thank you so much, sir. I really appreciate it. God bless you.
You're welcome. Feel free. Don't leave in a hurry. You can even make breakfast, okay?
Thank you, sir.
In case we don't see you again, my regards to your parents.
Thank you, sir. Best of luck. Oh, no. Oh, it's already 7:30. Oh, I want to sleep now. Feel free and relaxed. I'm not in a hurry. So go.
Jump up.
Sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning, how are you?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Open the gate for me.
Sorry, sir. You don't feel that meow pussycat? I mean, you don't finally carry and go inside last night? Have you?
Come. Take this bag and keep for me. Listen, there is time for everything. The next time you joke with me in the morning, I will cut off your head and have it for dinner.
Village people, what if it is that? What I do with the village people? It's too early now. How is it too early? Oga. I be person only picking. I be person only picking. Only son. I be only son. I be person only son, sir.
Will you shut up? Outdated fool. Now listen real good. Before I come back from work, make sure you find that cat and throw it far away from this compound. If you must know, I don't like cats.
Oga, no just change the color, give me. Tell me ICB, you understand? No only me and you there for this compound. No change and color.
Meaning what exactly?
know now. You know now. You know, say me self know too. Your fear. Your fear for them pass your hate for them, and waiting your fear for them take pass your hate for them. Be like from here reach Akwanga Akwana camp with leg. Well, me I know. Well, it's nothing to form for sharp. Me too. The fear and pass. The fear and pass. If India Bakeleke. Anima will be moto, and the airplane too for winches. Battle. Now God go finally settle in quarrel. That's for his head. God go finally settle in quarrel between him and devil. And for his head.
Employing you was a mistake. If you don't want me to settle that quarrel between God and devil on your head, go and open that gate before you suffocate me with your fucking body odor. Shut up and open the gate. Now go on. Yeah. My friend, shut up and open the gate for me. Coconut head. I said shut up and open the gate. It's an order. I said shut up and open the gate.
I trusted him, but he broke my heart. I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true. Shimo.
Hello, John Paul.
Yeah, Auntie Maureen.
Yeah, what is it? Good morning.
I get info. I get info for you.
What?
I tell you, if you hear this info, Auntie Maureen, if you hear this info, I swear to God, one of your ears can happen. That's you will lose your left ear. And I tell you. Now for this house, the whole film play from last night till this morning. And I'll come back here, I'm the lead actor. I tell you, God punish the devil. Father, I'm going to idiot.
My Micheal. Yeah, what happened? Tell me, what happened?
Wait, Auntie Maureen, wait. Promise me first. No, promise me, say, you no go tell Oka. Say, let me tell you. Bah, promise me first. Just promise me first. Good. Oga, did you hear me? Yes. Oga carried the girl when he trained for school when he was married. Come back last night.
Where? John Paul, wait. Are you serious?
And I tell you. If you see this girl na copper self, na copper already. You don't become copper. Let me say you don't graduate. Na copper short. Hey, come on, short. I did the girl. I tell you.
When? John Paul, are you joking or you're serious?
If you see this girl, Auntie Maureen, from what I see last night till this morning, I feel sure that this girl will go one word in 2 weeks' time. No be you at all. And I tell you, if you see this girl, if you see this baby, if you see her shape, if you see this baby, even say na the same bedroom, na the same bed two of them sleep last night.
John Paul, are you joking or you're serious?
If you hear this bedroom soundtrack, you go know so you know Sammy, you're also the learn. sorry, I don't use my what to be this. I think no verse I beg. Sorry, I don't use myself. When they tell you say I did the hear one and they don't. I say I don't always did the hear one as I no verse I beg. But truth be told, if you hear this girl Sandra.
John Paul, are you joking or you're serious? What do you mean you cannot give me the whole information? Because of 5K, me that always dash you money. Don't I give you money all the time? I dash you money to keep a tab on Micheal. Tell me who comes to the house, who visits him, what he does and what he doesn't do. I give you money all the time. So now because you're telling me to give you money again before you give me all the information. After everything I've done. Okay, that's fine. I'll give you 5K. I'll give you 5K. Just tell me everything. I want to hear everything. What? Where? She's in the house. Wait. Hold on. The girl is still there like right now? Are you serious? Where's Micheal? Where is he? Is he there? Is he in the house? That's fine. It's okay. Just auntie, please do me a favor. In case Micheal calls you, don't even tell him that you've spoken to me today. Don't tell him that you said anything to me. Don't even tell him that you've heard from me. You hear me? And that girl, what's her name? The girl, whoever is there, keep her in that house. Make sure she does not go anywhere. See, if you don't do that, I will not give you a 5K. Lock her in, even if she tries to go out. Don't allow her leave that place till I get there. Did you hear what I said? Don't allow her leave that place till I get there. You hear me, John Paul? I said don't allow her leave that house till I get there.
It go happen today. What go happen for this house today? I tell you. Today not today. 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 Today not You go happen today. You what the thought is that today go happen. And they tell you, I'm going to here for this house. God. Oh God, this life, man. You saw these people, all these men, what did they call Micheal? Like Baga. Anybody will be saying name like Micheal. Can you just do Micheal, Emmanuel, Bright follow. Yes, Bright follow. Victor. The name they there. Solomon. Solomon was a wolf. Wow, Solomon. Samuel. David. Anyone want to remember? Godwin Day. Can you consider Angus? Yes. No. It is sweet for native for village Mbolo. So the thing about village with the color people. All these men. If I still remember any other one, can you consider? If I still remember, all these men, they sabi pretend like sent die, sent and they be sent. Not to know say to cheat them build for their bodies. They just carry cheat, build them, put them God. I don't know God whether a God or when a apprentice a God where they would do man the way they call all these people I call names. They carry cheat, put for their body. They impute, that's as impute. They carry a come, a put over. But I'm telling you, cheating, now they put over. It will happen for no, and I go there alive, it will happen. And the way they call, they come with proper war. Once she just enter, wow, I got to say, wait, hold it. I'm on the first. Once you allow me the money now, there, I could just I best make sure I can hear this one. Give me the money before boss go start. Before boss go start. I go just hear good day. Go just dey hear it.
I trusted him, but he broke my heart. I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true.
Yes, come in.
Gina, what are you doing in my house? What the hell are you doing in my house?
Frank, please calm down. Please. I came to find out if you've been able to speak with Debbie. I called her a couple of times. She rejected my calls and later blocked my line.
Gina, that is exactly why you're here. She blocked my line too. You can now go ahead and throw your celebratory party. Okay? You succeeded in ruining my friendship, my relationship with Deborah. Congratulations.
Frank, I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry.
Get out of my face.
Frank,
Get out of my house. Don't ever want to see you again. Don't you ever step your filthy legs into my house again. Get out! You destroyed my life. You destroyed my relationship. You destroyed everything I have. You're gonna strangle you to death.
I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true. Trusted him, but he broke my heart. I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true.
You go happen in there. Russia and Ukraine war will happen live in this compound. Now. That's good. I don't go buy my popcorn. I don't buy my popcorn. Keep it will happen.
I trusted him, but he broke my heart. I can't believe it's real. I can't believe this is true.
Get out of my way!
My first.
Is something wrong?
We agree that.
Come on, get out!
Promise me.
Take. Where is she? Where is that fool? Get out! Where is that idiot? Excuse me! Where is she?
As he defend them, he defeats us. He defend them, he defeats them. It will not happen. Children, you create war. As he defend them, he defeats us.
Where is that bitch? Where is that bitch? Oh! Oh! And you bitch, you have the guts to come in here to my man's house and you're even wearing his t-shirt. What guts? Like, what impetus? For real?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, my foods. Can you tell me what is good about this morning? Anyway, by the time I am done with you, you will understand why this morning is good. You have the guts to come to my man's house. How dare you? Sense. You fool. You have the guts to come into my man's house. What are you trying to do? To stop my wedding? Don't you think you can do that? I don't care. This is little. I'll do more to you if you're not careful. Why, fool? You have the guts to. You want to stop my wedding to Micheal? Is that what you intend to do? Fool. Idiot. I must get married to Micheal in 2 weeks. Oh, you husband snatchers. God punish you. Rubbish. Rubbish. Nonsense. You think you can come to my house? You want to destroy my wedding? All you useless girls looking for where to scatter. You have failed. Fool. When you're tired, you get up and go to the hospital yourself, because I won't take you to the hospital.
Madam. Jesus. Madam.
Fool.
Madam.
Says her right. Nonsense.
Come. See blood, blood.
She fainted. Let her faint there. See, I want her to be a guest at the intensive care unit while I wed Micheal in church. Yes, in 2 weeks, she will be in the hospital. She will learn her lessons. Next time, she will trespass.
Jesus.
Nonsense.
Madam, you don't keep us, You don't keep us, Madam, this
Hey, she just fainted. I beg, stop making noise. Get up!
You don't keep us, madam.
Get up, my friend.
Oh, you don't get up.
I said get up.
And they say don't give me, don't get up. Person don't die, though. Person won't die, they kick up. You don't. What the please? Madam, what do you carry? What do you carry in the camp? Now, Monday, how about you?
No, just this my shoe. Just the shoe, just small. I don't even do anything. I just scratch small her head. That's all.
You just do
just small,
small scratch.
Yes.
Madam, you be politician. No, this politician and they lie. Carry lie so close. No. Like this, you're not can lie. You just play.
I was even joking.
Very joking. No. 9 blood. 9 blood. They flow come up for her head like this, like open worker July reform. See, blood. You don't keep us. She didn't with this girl. Don't die. Madam, you don't kill innocent people.
She's not dead now.
You don't kill innocent people.
What are we going to do now? What are we going to do, John Paul? What are we going to do? I don't want to be arrested for murder. I don't.
Which let me get that question. Let me ask me what I follow killer. Madam, don't keep person. This girl don't have a hand.
Maybe she's not dead now. Maybe let's take her to the hospital now. Maybe she's not really dead. Let's take her to the hospital now. Let's do something. John Paul, do something now.
Compassion. Hey, this guy don't die. No, you don't keep us. What if this time, madam? Which can be this one?
I only just.
You only just. No, just. Why you not Sokoto? Eh? Why you not slap this girl? Why you not just give a slap? Wow. Or if slap they had you give a very big cock, right? Are you okay? Sorry.
Are you trying to talk me?
No. They're trying to tell you what you do now. You go use coin.
See, this girl is not me.
No.
Mommy! Mom!
Oh, who is that? Hey, what? Baby! Baby!
Huh?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Hey, baby! Where is your luggage?
The bike man I was coming back with, his bike had fault. Yes, Omi, can you help me with 200 naira so I can complete the money I have, so I can pay the bike man to pay my luggage?
200. I have it. I think I have it.
Thank you. How's Daddy?
He went to Grandma's Ojugo's house to get scent leaf that he wants to use in preparing your pepper soup. Or in Manchawana, scent leaf. And you know I'm preparing our her soup too for you. Because I know that is your favorite soup. What is it, my daughter? Debbie, what happened?
Nothing, Mommy.
Is anything the matter?
No, I'm fine. Let me go and get my luggage.
Yeah, let me go with you.
No. I'm fine. I can do it alone.
Okay, in that case, let me go back to the kitchen. You know, I'm preparing your favorite for her soup. Your daddy and I, we are seriously preparing for you. We want to feed you like a baby today.
Okay, Mommy, I'll be back shortly.
Alright, please go and come back, while I go quickly to finish what I'm doing.
Akwachano makatiero kukaki Iju wamo Okamuna iju wasije Muni iju wasije Ewumochi Okamuni jesije Okamuna iju wasije Muni iju wasije Ewumochi Oya mira mamo See this
Babe, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. Okay, I'm sorry. I know that no matter how much effort Gina put in to seduce me, I shouldn't have fallen for her. Okay, I should have reported her to you. But I don't know what came over me, I swear. Please forgive me.
It's okay. I've forgiven you.
What?
I've forgiven you and Gina.
Babe, you forgiven me?
Yes. Mistakes happen. So get up.
Thank you so much, babe. What? Babe! 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 What sort of a dream was that? She disappeared? I wanted to hug her and she disappeared?
I am sorry. I know I hurt you so bad. I shouldn't have allowed the demon that took over me to succeed where your fiancé is. I have betrayed you. And I am deeply sorry. Please forgive me.
It's okay, Gina. I've forgiven you.
Oh my God. Are you serious? Wait, you mean you've forgiven me? Baby, you're such an angel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Where did you go to?
Is that necessary now, Gina? Listen, I want to spend some more time with you before I go back to my village. Okay. So you just go wait for me at the lodge. Let me quickly go and get something for a cousin at the village.
No, I'm not doing anything. Let's go together.
No. Just be making noodles for me. I'm hungry. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Are you sure? Alright, we'll see in the lodge then.
Okay, bye.
Alright, take care.
What are we going to do? This is, I'm in deep shit right now. This is a deep mess. Michael warned me, he warned me about this, my erratic jealousy. He warned me about this, my irrational behavior, but I didn't listen. Now look at what he has put me into. Jumper, what do we do? What do we do?
He said,
what are we going to do?
What are you going to do? You are who? You are who? No, you are who now?
Me and you now. It's not me and you. Was it not you that called me? If you had not called me to come here, would this have happened? If you had shut up that your useless mouth, would this have happened? I would have been in my office now working. It was you that called me. Why did you call me? Why?
Chineke, madam, now you this. So you won't carry the blame that put on my head, Abi? You won't carry? Oh, how now? How? Okay, fine. Yes, fine. I call you, say, Oga, carry person come. Nobody they give me money. Nobody they give me money. Say, in case Oga carry person come back, I call you. I say, I now see person Oga carry person come now go boy I call you. As I call you, come. I tell you, say make you carry your hip. This your con shoot that big ball for her head. Yeah, which go out of this now? Yeah, you just go. Fine. As you enter here, why you not calm down? Wow. First of all, call him. As I'm supposed to say, hey, who be you? As I one or two things. Mba. Yeah, you just go. You don't even ask you. You go carry yourself come like Kano Hamatan way. Go keep person here. Yeah, you know whether not relation. You know. If I ask you now whether you know her name, you fit. Yeah, which kind of nonsense with this now? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you try? How dare you try to pin this on me alone? How dare you? You want to die? Me die? If you say one word here, I will kill you too. Right now, and you die here now. Do you want to die? Do you want to die? Answer me. Do you want to die? Me die. Me your boy die to fear what? To fear what? Me die. Leave my change for my ashawo customer. We see they owe me we see they owe me panu 1.4 rand. Car. You know you can't have. You can't say this now. Okay. Now you make you go they hold me. They check me. They hold me your boy. Okay, fine. Okay, because of this nonsense way they keep me. Wait a minute, because of this nonsense body. No, I'm sorry. No, all man with the ghetto. No, I'm sorry. I slapped and I threatened you now. I'm sorry now. Okay, take the money. I'll wait now. I'm sorry. Come now. Sorry. Hey, I mean the whole you call me. The whole me. Oh, yeah, no vex now. I'm sorry, but you know I have a hot temper now. You know I have a hot temper. Why did you call me on the phone in the first place? What were you expecting? That I would come here and I'll be clapping for her? Was that what you were expecting? You know I have hot temper. Why did you call me? Okay, hot temper. You know, they tell me like, but a hot temper. No, clap for yourself now. No, clap. You just carry your head. Clap for yourself. You don't walk up now. Now walk up, you carry Zubby. See, I'm carry her. Carry the walk up when you win. I said, man, a hot temper. Says you just kill Cop Nana. Keep person daughter. Keep person daughter will just finish service for nothing. He just tell me say hot temper. No, you not happy. Say you not happy. You happy, happy. Carry your walk up and they go. See, I don't put here. They go by post. Hey! Listen, don't try it. I dare you to leave this place right now. See what I'm going to do. I am going to take the phone and I will send a text to Micheal and the police. I will tell them that his gate man, John Paul, has been using dangerous weapons to threaten
his guest and I in this house. And after I send that message, I will kill myself right here.
Hey.
You know what that means, right? The police will come after you with Michael, and you know what that means for you. That means you've killed 2 people. I'm calling Michael. You and I are in this mess together. You and I are in this mess together. Michael is calling me. Shut up, you two, shut up. Hello?
Hello, baby. Are you at work? I'm around your office.
Oh, no, sweetie, I'm not around. I've actually left for my marketing rounds. In fact, as we speak, I'm in your house right now.
You are in my house. Are you for real?
Yes. I came to get something I forgot the last time I was here. Yes, but I'll soon be on my way out though. Yes.
Huh. Now for you. Shit.
Babe, did you just curse? Why are you cursing? Did you hit someone?
No, I forgot to tell you about the stranded couple I helped last night. She slept in my guest room.
Oh, babe. Come on, babe. Is that why you're cursing? You said she was stranded, so that means it's a case of charity. That's fine, my love. That's okay.
Yes, I left her in my house this morning before going to work. She said she'll be leaving soon. I don't know if she has left or not.
Eh? No, I didn't meet her. No, I didn't see anybody here. When I got here, the house was locked. In fact, I had to use my spare key to enter. I didn't see anybody. Oh, well, on my way out, I'll ask John Paul. He should know everything.
Sorry, I forgot to tell you last night.
You're coming?
What do that?
Jesus.
Ah, madam. Ogene. Yeah? This one will face be like this. Scorpion scratch your pant. I mean, Abby, Okoro Jibo.
Go punish you. Go give your mother. That's Abby Okoro Jibo. Go punish you. You're stupid. Idiot. Fool. Why can't you ever say it makes sense? Why must you always say rubbish? Why? Even in this case that we're in a deep shit, you're still talking nonsense. Listen, Michael is on his way back to this house. So we better think of what to do right now.
Madam, this is the problem. You are people.
No. Yes, I have something. Yes.
What do you mean?
Wait, I'm coming. Just wait right here.
You won't run through backyard. Now, you won't run now. You can't even from.
Shut up, I'm not a fool like you, George. Shut up. I'm coming out to get something. Stay here. Don't move an inch. Money. Take this thing. Clean, use it to wipe all the blood. Wipe it, use it to wrap her. Let me bring the car closer to the house. Take.
See message. See another message. You see message. We come. Never had
What is going on? She collected money from me. Is the bike man making trouble with her? That must be a case to justify her mood when she came back earlier. The faulty bike story must be some kind of lie from her, not to spoil my own mood needlessly. Baby. Baby, you should have told mommy everything so I can show the fool, the tigress he dared to toy with her daughter. This is no longer funny. She is still nowhere to be found this far down the road.
Mama, good evening.
What is going on? Micheal, are you also looking for Deborah?
Yes, I'm looking for Deborah. And what do you mean by, am I also looking for Deborah too? Huh?
Her friend HwMy here met me down the road while she was looking for her too.
I don't get it. HwMy.
Deborah came to my house and asked me to give her a cup of water to drink. She was putting on her Corper uniform. I went inside, got the water, came out, and Deborah was nowhere to be found.
Hey! 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 You're not making any sense to me. Deborah came home without her luggage and told me that the bike that was bringing her home developed fault close to the house and that she needed 200 naira to make up money to pay him and get her luggage. I gave her the money. She left and never came back till now.
Hey!
How could she end up in your compound that is down the other end of the road and start asking you for water to drink? Huh? Hey!
Confusing indeed.
Yes.
Micheal, she was also on Corper's uniform when she came to the house.
Yes, of course. Come on. Does it mean that none of you saw Deborah nor the bike man that she spoke about anywhere from our junction to this place?
No. And the two people we met before we saw you said they didn't see her.
Hey.
Come. Is this some kind of prank from both of you to see how I will react to it?
Okay, stop. Stop it, please. Prank? How do you even imagine that I'll be part of such prank? I said that I gave Deborah 200 naira to settle the bike man. And you hear HwMy, her friend, saying that she came to her compound. No. No. Deborah! Debbie, where are you? Hey! Debbie! Hey! Hey!
Come on,
Hey!
there's nobody to that.
Oh,
You know, let us go back to the compound.
Hey!
It could be that somehow two of you missed each other along the road. And she's now in the compound looking for you too.
If that is the case, why is her phone switched off? I've been trying to call her, but...
Woman, enough. Let's go back. Maybe she came.
Are you sure you saw Deborah? My Deborah, are you for real?
Yes, I saw her. In fact, I actually even came here to tell you that she has forgiven me. Yes, she even asked me to go make noodles for her. She said she was going to pick up something from one of her kinsmen for the person's parents in the village.
To pick something from one of her kinsmen?
Yes.
Do you know the person?
No, she didn't mention any name to me.
This is strange, right?
How do you mean?
She was here. Right here. She was standing here when I was apologizing to her, and she said she has forgiven me. And she also told me to tell you that she has forgiven you also.
Yes, she told me that.
Strangely, when I tried to embrace her, she vanished.
Jesus!
Then I woke up.
A dream?
Yes. A dream. Just a little dose of fear and... Come. Did you say you saw my Debbie? Are you sure you saw Debbie? Deborah, are you for real?
Would I be lying to you? Hold on. Maybe if you're doubting me, let me call her.
Her phone is switched off.
Called her?
I've been calling her line since I woke up from that sleep and it has been ringing switched off.
I just hope nothing is wrong with her.
going on?
She asked me to make noodles for her.
Akwachano makatiero kukaki ijuwa mo okamuna ijuwa sije muni juwa sije ewumochi okamuni je sije okamuna ijuwa sije muni juwa sije ewumochi oya miraba okamuna ijuwa sije moni juwa sije ewumochi chinwo menye inanu olumo chimo ajuju kam chori jugi inozi kwome kedo kanke musi deziche okamuna ijuwa sije muni juwa sije ewumochi okamuna ijuwa sije muni juwa sije ewumochi
Jump ball! 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 Where is this fool that calls himself my gate man? Jump ball! Maureen's car is not even here. I thought she said she's at home. Jump ball! Jump ball! Jump ball! Which I was correct by second day. What nonsense! And as for Maureen, I told you I don't like Frank, so you will explain to me the meaning of this nonsense. blood in my house. What? How?
He's inside.
He's in car.
Shut up. You talk too much. I said shut up. Hey, God.
Baby, listen. What is the meaning of this? Stop. You're embarrassing us. We have invested 5 years in this relationship. It's 2 weeks to our wedding and you're saying it's over? How? Why? Did I cheat on you? Did I beat you? What have I done wrong?
Just go. It's over, please. Just go. I don't want to be in a relationship anymore. I don't want a marriage anymore.
Maybe you can't just wake up and say it's over. What happened? Okay, listen.
Nothing.
Let's go home.
I don't want to go to your house. Please, just go. Go. Please, let me go. Please.
I'm begging you, stop. Okay? Relax, okay? Okay, let's go home and talk this over. Baby, listen, calm down. Let's go home and talk this over, okay? Please. Okay? Please. Please, please. We can talk things over, please. This is not necessary, I beg you. If it's a prank, stop it. Thank you.